Drink a glass of garlic water every day. 11 amazing garlic water health benefits you should know and how to make garlic water. Garlic belongs to the allium family, along with onions and other vegetables like shallot, scallions, leek, and chives. A single bulb of garlic can contain up to 20 segments called cloves. Garlic is commonly cultivated in most parts of the world and is a common cooking ingredient used for the flavor it adds. Garlic has a rich taste, as well as a rich history. It has been used for its health properties and used for a variety of purposes by the Greeks, Egyptians, Romans, Chinese, and Babylonians. It has been used to repel bugs. Garlic is a great addition to your diet. You can use it in soups and sauces. You can also use it to add flavor to your curries, pasta, meat, stir fries, and as a pizza topping. And apart from making it into garlic water, there are other forms it can come in, like powders, pastes, and garlic oil. Drinking garlic water regularly is a great change you can make to your morning routine. To start drinking garlic water, all you need to do is chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves that have been peeled into pieces and add them to water. Stir the ingredients and start drinking. You enjoy all the wonderful garlic water benefits by drinking it on an empty stomach every morning. For additional garlic treatment, you can also make garlic tea. In this case, you boil the peeled and chopped garlic cloves with water and add lemon juice and honey for additional taste. If you plan to make use of more than 2 to 3 garlic cloves per day, then consult with your doctor. Garlic has been used in the past as medicine for many disease conditions. Many recent studies have shown that garlic water benefits overall health and may be able to treat any disease conditions. These garlic water benefits are linked to the sulfur compounds formed when the garlic cloves are chopped or crushed. One of the most active sulfur compounds in garlic is allicin, but it is only present for a while after the garlic has been chopped or crushed. Allicin has antimicrobial properties. It can help protect the body from viruses, fungi, and bacteria. Other compounds are diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine. These compounds also play a role or two in garlic water benefits. They are absorbed and transported throughout the body for their potential health benefits. Garlic also contains a trace amount of other minerals like zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium, and other B vitamins including niacin, pantothenic acid, and vitamin B6. Drink a glass of garlic water every day. 11 amazing garlic water health benefits you should know. Number 1. Drinking garlic water benefits your immune system. Garlic has been shown to have several immune-boosting properties. In one study, people given garlic supplements daily were found to have a 63% lower risk of catching a cold compared to the placebo. You can try drinking garlic water when you get the cold or the flu. Drinking garlic water can help treat a cold. You can use 2 to 3 cloves of raw garlic or make it into a tea, combining honey for extra taste. You might just have to deal with bad breath. Eating garlic may not give you a fresh and cool breath, but it would help fight off mouth bacteria that can cause cavities. Number 2. Garlic water benefits your heart health. Heart-related diseases like stroke are major global health issues affecting most parts of the world. One of the major risk factors for stroke, heart attack, and other cardiovascular diseases is high blood pressure. Garlic is rich in potassium and low in sodium, and a diet like this has been shown to be very helpful in regulating blood pressure levels. One study found that taking garlic supplements can significantly reduce blood pressure levels in hypertensive patients. Studies have also shown that garlic extract may even be as effective as a blood pressure drug, atenolol. Other risk factors for heart disease are high triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Garlic may not have any significant effect on triglyceride levels, but can reduce your total cholesterol levels. It reduces bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein. Drinking garlic water benefits your lipid profile. It will help regulate your blood pressure levels. Number 3. Drinking garlic water helps deliver enough antioxidants to your body. A high intake of garlic supplements can help boost antioxidant enzymes in humans and significantly help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress and free radicals can cause aging, chronic diseases, including Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic also contains antioxidants that can help protect your body from free radical damage. Number 4. Drinking garlic water boosts long life. It may seem surprising, but it shouldn't be. Garlic can strengthen your immune system and can reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases that can cause death. So, with these beneficial effects it has to offer, garlic may increase longevity. It contains antioxidants that reverse oxidation, which is linked to aging and age-related diseases. So, it may slow down the process of aging too. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Drinking garlic water protects you from the risk of developing cancers. Garlic, as well as onions, has also been shown to have an anti-cancer effect, especially against stomach and colorectal cancers. Number 6. Drinking garlic water benefits your skin health. Garlic can help in revitalizing the skin and healing scars while giving your skin some glow. It can tackle skin issues like acne from the inside out. It has potent anti-inflammatory effects that help you remove toxins from the inside, giving you healthy skin outside. Drinking garlic water can also help you feel hydrated. Consuming garlic water regularly is good for the skin. It can help you flush out toxins and improve your skin health. Number 7. Drinking garlic water benefits your digestive system and helps you lose weight. Consider taking garlic water on an empty stomach in the morning, and you would reap many amazing health benefits throughout the day. The garlic water would stimulate your digestive system for the day and would help protect you against digestive issues like constipation, gas, and bloating. It would also boost your metabolism and help you lose weight faster. You can mix lemon with warm garlic water to shed weight much faster. Number 8. Drinking garlic water boosts exercise performance. In times past, especially in ancient Greece by Olympic athletes, garlic was used to enhance performance and reduce fatigue. In one animal study, garlic was found to increase exercise performance. Several studies have also shown that garlic oil increased exercise capacity and lowered peak heart rate for people with heart diseases. Drinking garlic water benefits your muscles and would help you recover quickly from cramps and wear and tear. Number 9. Drinking garlic water helps remove toxins from your body. Another famous garlic health benefit is its detoxifying abilities. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that can have a protective effect on your organs against heavy metal toxicity, especially when consumed in high quantities. In one study, garlic was found to reduce lead levels and associated symptoms such as headaches and blood pressure compared to D-penicillamine. Number 10. Drinking garlic water benefits your bone health. Many vegetables like garlic and onions have beneficial effects on the bone. They have been linked to protective and treatment abilities for osteoarthritis and joint pain. More studies are needed to confirm this, but one animal study showed that garlic can reduce bone loss by boosting estrogen level in females. Number 11. Drinking garlic water benefits your kidneys. Garlic water can reduce your risk of developing urinary tract infections and several other kidney infections. It prevents the growth of Pseudomonas aeruginosa that causes urinary tract infections and varieties of systemic infections. It is recommended that you take garlic water every morning to protect your kidney and prepare yourself for the rest of the day. There are a few side effects to using garlic in garlic water. One that is unavoidable is the bad breath that follows. You can easily get rid of bad garlic breath by eating fresh fruits and vegetables like apple or mints. Take a cup of green tea or try brushing and flossing after eating, or chew a spearmint gum. Some people might also be allergic to garlic or may develop heartburn, nausea, or feel a burning sensation in their stomach. Make sure you consult with your doctor before using it for any health conditions, especially if you are taking blood-thinning medications. Garlic is not only delicious but also very healthy. It has been used as ancient medicine, and its healing abilities have also been confirmed by scientists. Drinking garlic water benefits your entire body. It can boost your health, reduce the risk factor for many diseases, and even boost your long life. Have you ever tried drinking garlic water in the morning? Comment your answer below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.